So once you log into our course, this is actually counting to calculus, but this used to be Inspirational Mathematics 1. It starts with pre-algebra and elementary math, but it goes from algebra, from pre-algebra to algebra to geometry and pre-calc, and then to calculus. So all in one place. It comes with textbooks. You have practice problems. Videos. Some of my videos are uploaded here. So you have videos, you have practice problems where you can enter your answer and get the, it'll tell you if you're right or wrong right away. But I actually recommend that people have notebooks to do their work. But the point of this video, though, is to emphasize the assessments. Let's talk about the assessments. So some of you have done the paper assessments, which is great. There is a pre-algebra diagnostic test here for people that is graded immediately, and I get the feedback. But there's also an algebra assessment, which is found at the end of the algebra section, called Intermediate Algebra Diagnostic. And so these tools will help us see exactly where a student is at in their pre-algebra understanding, as well as in their Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 understanding. We have resources for elementary school students, middle school, high school, and college level. The good news now is we also have Singapore math for everybody. We now have Singapore math for high school, middle school, and high school. I was able to have my friend from Singapore bring over the books that they use for their middle school and high school, and I see why Singapore is much better in math than America. I'm going to be making a video series about that, but I've found what they're doing. There is something Singapore is doing. I'll tell you a little secret on it, and then we'll talk about it more in our STEM Excellence podcast. In Singapore, when you get to 9th, 10th grade, they give them a pathway that allows you to take multiple math classes every year. This is what I've been saying for a long time. We did the same thing in Nigeria. So basically, their 10th graders are doing regular math with everybody in terms of general algebra concepts and so on. But they also have a choice to do additional math, which gives them resources for calculus specifically. Their 10th graders are actually doing calculus. So how could we compete, or how can you compete in a global stage with people that are doing calculus in 10th grade when in our country we're not even requiring people to do pre-calculus in 12th grade? Yeah, we are not doing good when we look at the state of affairs. But here's the good news. I will tell you what Singapore is doing, and I will tell you where Singapore is weak. And that has to do with some of the sort of the math and science history. And that's part of what we teach in our course. So you follow these materials, you will not only learn what they learn and exceed what they learn, but you will actually learn the depth of why we learn what we learn, which they don't learn. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to teach the fluency piece, give you the tools to be very good at math, and then we're going to teach you the history and philosophy of math and science, and then help you pick your career, something you love to do. I look forward to helping you. This is Amos the Math Guy. Feel free to email amosthemathguy@gmail.com if you want to sign up for any of my math courses. We have courses from elementary school math all the way to calculus and calculus 2. And then we also have, you can get the course alone, or you can get the once a week check-in meetings, and then the twice a week check-in meetings. Our courses also have the option of getting college credit. So let me know if you're interested in that as well. For students in college algebra and up, you can get college credit either through the CLEB test, which we provide you with the CLEB test preparation right here. We have videos broken down here for each of the concepts on the CLEB test, whether it's for the CLEB test or if you want to get it through a college that we've partnered with, you can do that as well. So we want to help you get 60 to 90 college credits before you graduate, so that you go into college with a vision and direction if that's the path that you want to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care and have a blessed day.